If you're new to my channel and you haven't checked out all my other videos, please do. And also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it when I post a new video. In this video, I wanted to talk to you about a big change that has come to the industry and a lot of people are not aware of it. That's going to be concerning if you have a regular standard speed motor like that. This is a non-variable speed pump, and this right here is standard, what most people have. Once this motor goes out, you're going to be required to upgrade to a variable speed pump, and that's why I'm making this video. The motor is on its way out and it's going to need to be replaced, and I have to let them know that they're required by law, the variable speed pump law that was enacted last July 2021, which was last month. You're required to upgrade to the variable speed pump, which in my case is about $1,500 installed. So just wanted to let you know, a lot of people are unaware that that change has come, and I just wanted to let everybody know that, you know, if you have a single speed motor, once it goes out, once it burns up, you know, the bearings go bad or something goes wrong with it, you're going to be required to have a new one. Now the new one is great because it'll save you money over time. There's a digital display that'll be actually right on top of the pump, and you can control it there and bypass your actual regular timer box. So I just wanted to let you know, appreciate all my new subscribers. Thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video.